Hi! In this video, I will show you how to mirror an image in Canva. So, this is our blank page. To mirror an image, let's choose first the photo we want to mirror and place it in our blank template. Resize it. And then, let's duplicate the photo by selecting the photo and click on Duplicate right here. Next is flip the photo. Click on Flip that can be found right here. And click on Flip Vertical. Once it is flipped vertically, position the photo right behind the original photo, like this. And adjust the transparency by clicking on the transparency right here. And adjust it. And let's have a little crop right here. And it's done. It's like a cat sitting on a mirror. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!